So here is the file menu and we will go for open option. So this is our exercise file, and inside the selection and masking folder, we have to select this question fair unsplash image. So you just have to select this image and then click open. So here is the image, and we will use a fantastic tool of Photoshop, that is a subject selection tool, because in this image we have a clear visual of a subject. So if you will use the subject selection tool, then you can easily select this woman from and you can remove the background. So we have to select this entire woman by subject selection tool, and it's quite easy. So therefore we just have to click this select menu, and from there you just have to click this subject option. You can take a look. This woman got selected by subject selection tool, and if you want to remove the entire background from this image, then you can do that easily. Right now you have to add a layer mask. So here is the layer mask option. You just have to click on here and you can take a look. Now rest of the part, the rest of the background got removed. So this is a method. And right now, if you want to move this image anywhere, then you can do that easily. Therefore you have to use this move tool. Here is the move tool, and you can move this image anywhere. And if you want to place this image with any other image, then you can do that.